planted some coriander with
open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, hold tight.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and let's get started with today's video. Today's video is about natural skincare. Now I am not a big fan of skincare DIYs, but considering the present situation and the lockdown, I was forced to try out some skincare, natural skincare, which can suit every skin. There are many such DIYs available over the internet, which is easily accessible by all of you. We should be more responsible before putting them over the internet, because internet is such a thing that it is easily accessible by all the young fellows, all the young generation, and they get tempted by titles such as get rid of acne in a day, get rid of pimples in a day, get rid of dark circles overnight, which literally doesn't work. And yeah, all these DIYs which I am presenting in this video are very simple and it suits all sensitive skin, and I have a sensitive skin, and things like lemon, baking soda, toothpaste and all such random things like tomatoes and all don't suit my skin, and whenever I apply them onto my skin turns into a real tomato. And the things which I am presenting here are actually tested by me, but still I would suggest that please do a patch test before trying out any of the things which I am showcasing in this video. So for cleansing your face, I have kept besan. Zinc is one such ingredient in besan which has been known to fight infections that cause your face to erupt with acne. It has always been used since centuries in India. I prefer mixing it with water and then using it to scrub off the dirt from my face. Now this is a routine which I feel like doing once in a day, especially during the night time, and I think it suits all skin types.
Hold tight, dripping lights.
Now research shows oatmeal plays a role in cosmetic preparation, and also it helps protect your skin from harmful ultraviolet rays, and it is a very good antioxidant, anti-inflammatory and even anti-aging. I generally ground it to powder form and then mix it with milk. You can also mix it with water and then apply it onto your face. Now make sure that you don't mix coffee or any such harsh ingredients to use as an exfoliant on your skin. Rather use a very smoothing agent, and also make sure like your face is cleansed before it. Also you can use almonds, but then I prefer eating those rather than applying it on your hair.
All because of you, dripping light.
So rice water is an excellent toner and it has been inspired from the K-beauty culture. I generally take brown rice and I just wash off all its dust particles with water.
Paint the skies, only you.
Then I proceed by soaking the rice in water for around 1 hour and then use the cloudy liquid which comes out of it as a toner. I store it in the fridge and then I apply it onto my face as a spray on toner. You can also use using a cotton pad. So for moisturizer, I use honey. It is antibacterial and antiseptic, full of antioxidants. It boosts collagen production and prevents aging, and it helps enhance the glow. So I prefer using honey alone as a leave-on mask on my face for around 10 to 15 minutes, and then I proceed by washing off my face. It helps enhance the glow of my face, and also the moisturizing property of honey is quite impressive. So sometimes for the extra glow on my face, I prefer using papaya. Now please make sure that you use a fresh papaya and not a frozen papaya. Papaya is rich in antioxidants such as lycopene, and it helps defend against visible signs of aging. It also contains enzymes such as papain and chymopapain, which can help decrease the inflammation, and it can also help in removing dead cells. Also pineapple is one such fruit which helps in brightening of the face, but then I don't prefer using it on my face because sometimes it can affect sensitive skin adversely.
last forever.
So that was all about today's video, and if you have stayed until this point, please make sure to subscribe to this channel and also hit the like button before signing off. Yeah, see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.
Collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight.